Now, let's build an image metric learning model utilizing default hyperparameter values. Open the H2O Hydrogen Torch navigation menu, look for the option that says Create Experiment and click on it. In the list of available datasets, find and select bicycle_image_metric_learning. In the text box labeled experiment name, type in tutorial-2A. Finally, click on the Run Experiment button. This will bring you to the View Experiments tab, where you can see that the tutorial-2A has been queued. The processing is going to start soon, and after a couple of moments you will be able to see the finished experiment. Please note that the default model scorer for this task is the mean average precision. In the context of our model, we desire a validation metric value that is closer to 1. This indicates that the model has a strong ability to accurately determine the similarity and dissimilarity between bicycle images. Please keep in mind that while this tutorial provides guidance and general principles, your model's performance and values may exhibit variations based on the unique characteristics of your dataset and the modeling choices you make. I look forward to seeing you in the next step, where we will further enhance your model's results by assisting you in tuning hyperparameters.